The lack of volatility that Bitcoin has displayed over the last 4.5 months has sparked many discussion as to what the story may actually be. Bitcoin enthusiasts will argue that the display of stability is an important and positive step in the broader adoption process, and in order to be considered a safe haven, it's a net positive to not have the wild price swings that historically characterize the asset. The detractors may argue that the lack of volatility could eventually affect market maker liquidity by reducing trade opportunities. What's fascinating is that this comes at a time where S&P volatility, as measured by the VIX, had spiked from 20 in mid-August to almost 35 in late September, well above its 5-year average that's near 20. For much of the last couple of years, Bitcoin has traded with a tight correlation to the NASDAQ, averaging a 0.75 of a perfect unison of 1 correlation for 2022, even getting as high as 0.96 in May. The 30-day correlation has dropped to a current level near 0.26. Now, this comes as good news to the many Bitcoin supporters who argued for a long time that the initial benefit of Bitcoin was its lack of correlation to other assets. One thing that most all would agree is that zero-yielding assets like Bitcoin feel clear headwinds of a tightening Federal Reserve and should welcome an eventual stabilization of rates. Now, a reminder that cmegroup now offers options on both micro Bitcoin and micro Ether futures, but we're going to be using the futures for these examples. If a trader believes that Bitcoin will move higher from here, they could buy the November micro Bitcoin contract at 20,700 and target a move to the August highs of 25,000. A stop could be placed below at 18,500. This trade could make $430 if your target is reached and risks $220 if you're stopped out of your level. If a trader believes that Bitcoin will fall from here, they could sell the November micro Bitcoin contract at 20,700 and target a move to the June lows of 17,600. A stop for this trade could be placed above at 22,000. This trade could make $310 if your target is reached and risks $130 if you're stopped out of your level.